The problem of the implementation of reforestation in Brazil, the biggest challenge, I think it's find the financement to develop the policy. We have a lot of policy, public policy. We don't need the new public policy. We need improve the possibility to develop all technology that we have here, and implementation, develop the technology is I think is easy. The problem is large this implementation, and try to put in place this project and this example if you have here. In terms of, in general terms, the principal problem is a politic investment in several technology we have here in Brazil. Okay. The contribution of restoration project are very important to realize and to accomplish this challenge. The project like Restore Plus is very important because we can put together different institutions, different technology, and different possibility to identify in terms of area, where, when, and how we can do this reforestation. We can answer the questions with work together with several institutions like Restore Plus project.